and welcome to Awake Learning. The Assam Forest Department is conducting DNA profiling of 2500 rhino using Rhino DNA Index system. What is this all about? How it is going to curb illegal trading of rhinos? See here, DNA profiling is happening using the DNA from the horns, tissues, dung or the blood samples of the rhino. They will create one genetic database. With this, it is possible to identify the individual rhino so that we can curb the poaching. The implementing agency is Wildlife Institute of India. This is responsible for creating this genetic database. So they are trying to provide the index. Originally it was developed by South Africa. Now it is adopted in India also. So now it is possible to conserve the greater one-horned rhinoceros species in the Indian subcontinent, which is herbivory. The conservation status is in the IUCN Red List. It is listed as vulnerable. In the sites, it comes under Appendix 1 in the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Under Schedule 1, this is how the conservation status of species is very important. And a Rhino project, Indian Rhino Vision 2020, which was launched in 2005. It aims to spread rhino population across 7 protected areas. This is also very important. As per 2022 data, the largest rhino present in Kaziranga National Park. So, Assam alone having 80% of the global population of a rhino. So, this is very important with respect to the rhino. This index is going to help to curb the poaching of rhino.